April has basically been cancelled.
Music is that I hear. Something to try and make you feel at home.
Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Friday morning around 6:45 a.m. This week has been pretty long. Looking forward to the weekend, not really though, because of the current lockdown situations in the state and the city. Alright, so we are out for the morning walk and today I have the companion also. We are not planning to go far away because of the restrictions. We're just roaming around near the house because it's difficult to be in the house all the time like a caged animal, so it's like good to have some fresh air in the morning when the crowd is like minimal. Today we are exploring a new route for our walk. It's on the Barnet Road. Normally we go to the high street and then come back, but it's nice to change routes in between to get a new feeling every day. Okay, we reached our turnaround point and now we're heading back home. Almost 2.5 kilometers done, 2.5 more to go. Yesterday we did around 6 kilometers. It's a good sign, but we are not used to it, so it is exhausting. That's why we are falling off to sleep at around 10:30 every day. Although today seems to be a very dry and boring day, don't even have any work, even though I should be having, but क्या कर सकते हैं, काम ही नहीं है. So I'm just chilling, watching the New York series by Mumbaikar Nikhil. I've done the vlog setup video, but I'm not really convinced because it wasn't shot in the best of the conditions. So now I have to reshoot the entire thing all over again. I'm long overdue, but if I'm not happy with the footage, I will not post it. Now over this weekend I'll shoot the video again, edit, and I think probably post this on Monday morning or on Sunday evening. So keep watching this space. So I'm here to rant about something. As you all know, it's the state of lockdown and April has basically been cancelled. And a lot of people are frustrated and are like I've seen on news and all of that shit. One thing for particular I would like to talk about is they cancelled the exams for 10th and 12th, or I think are going to cancel, but the elections are still going to go on and the rallies are happening. I mean, why? If you cannot handle students sitting at a 6 feet distance writing their own papers, and you can handle the rallies where like people are coming in lakhs and lakhs. I don't want to hurt any political sentiments, but it doesn't just sound logical to me. Second thing is like I've seen like a lot of people are getting extremely angry at the doctors at the hospitals, and they saw some news about people beating up the hospital staff. It's not fair. I mean, you cannot be angry at the doctors. You did not vote for the doctors, you did not vote for the hospitals, you did not vote for the medical staff. They are your first responders. You voted for the authorities that are doing a job, good or bad I'm not sure, but that they are doing the job of dealing with this pandemic. But they are the ones responsible for making sure that you get a bed. I understand a lot of people go through a lot of frustration, and everybody and some of the people have lost their loved ones, but what did the doctor and the medical staff do? I've seen like people I've seen in some hospitals in Mumbai where the doctors, the government hospitals, are trying to adjust two people on a single bed just to be able to treat them. So doctors are doing pretty amazing job. Hats off to them. Medical staff, frontline workers, the cops, are doing a fantastic job, but you don't have to beat them up or get frustrated at them. That's my rant.